actually climbing on the wall. Quite steep wall, so you gotta be careful as you don't fall. Very good to get some exercise in, get some nice view in the back room at the same time. You can make it to the top. Good Sunday morning and welcome to Qingyan, an old town here, not so far from Guizhou in the Guizhou province where I've been the past weeks. Really beautiful. You see a lot of the old architecture in the background. Sun is just rising. It's 8:30 in the morning. Waiting my friends. We're gonna have some breakfast. Last night we were actually exploring a lot, and especially we had a huge dinner feast as always. I think we had like 12 dishes with the boiled fish. We had a lot of different pork with different vegetables, and amazing fried rice, and a lot of dishes. I think it's one of the best things. As I said many times, to share with other people who can enjoy, try a lot of different things instead of just having one dish. But now I'm walking around here in the morning. Really beautiful. The sun is rising. See if I'm gonna be able to climb a drone. So many small cozy alleys, and also yesterday as I mentioned, we walked around and saw all these dark alleys with the lights. Really pretty beautiful. So I explored a little bit here. There's a lot of snacks everywhere. You can try in the streets. You have these yo chow, like the oil sticks, not so healthy, but very local breakfast. So we'll see what's on offer. Hope it's gonna be good. Just some people sitting in the balcony here having some noodles. They're amazing. Just enjoy being out in the morning exploring. So let's wait for the others, eat a little bit, see what they have at the hotel breakfast. But I'm gonna walk around here in the morning before we fly out in the afternoon. So it's gonna be a pretty interesting day, I'm sure. So if you wanna see what's next, wait a bit and I'll see you very soon. It's really cozy when you walk around all these old alleys. We also see these nice temples and pagodas in the background. And I'll walk in and check it a little bit. It's beautiful when you come here and you see the old structures in the great wall up there in the background. So you can go up and there's really beautiful old buildings here. These red colorful stripes hanging in here. You have the incense burner. Just let's explore these small old towns here. Just gonna walk around, enjoy this fantastic weather and the beautiful views here in the background. See what we can find after this. So now I'm walking these little streets here, super cozy. I have a lot of local snacks, some great sausages and pork here. They have all these stores selling a lot of stuff and ancient stuff going on, like, I don't know, fortune telling, I'm not really sure. But a lot of cool things are just exploring here. Hopefully we can have some food as well soon, but just taking my time to explore the really beautiful morning here. I was walking around, I found this really interesting tofu. I think it's smoked. I'm not a huge fan of tofu normally, but this is probably one of the best ones. So really tasty here from the old lady in the street selling it. Yeah, it's the going here. You definitely try some smoked tofu. After some more explanation, we found another really nice temple here. Not allowed to film inside, but it's always fun to explore this local culture, the traditions here, really beautiful, all these banners and incense. I think I'm gonna go and explore the wall now and then probably get some food. So I'm gonna continue walking, just enjoy this very nice sunshine. Yeah, so now walk around in the older part of town and find a lot of food, including these amazing lamb skewers, some of my favorites from Qingyan. Also a lot of cool other snacks around here, local things everywhere. It's boiling, super tasty, but now let's have a bit of this bite first. That is good, tasty, spicy, you get very messy. And I'm gonna go and climb up the wall here after enjoying some food. Okay, so I think we finally made it, and definitely break me swell. You can see the mountains here in the background. Pretty cool actually, this whole place is surrounded by the mountains. I think we're just gonna enjoy this a little bit more. Walk down and we have some snacks before we head to the airport. Great to get some cardio in here, but enjoying the nature and a lot of cool snacks along the way. Yeah, so after a lot of walking outside, actually exploring quite a lot of the nature around there. Even people some fishing in the background. We're back in the village here, but it's soon time to go to the airport. So I think I'm gonna end the video a bit here and show you some of the beautiful backgrounds here, some of the snacks and everything. If you want to see more of this kind of stuff, give me a like, subscribe. See you at the next video.